Hi everyone, this is Anna. Just a quick reminder, this is a part 2 video, and once you watch the first part, part 2 will automatically start. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hi everyone, this is Anna coming to you to share some things that I had purchased a couple of weeks ago, but actually a month ago, but I just received them. So let's get started. The first thing I wanted to share was the new 5x7 Spellbinder A and B plate for card creator. Well, actually you can use these and not have to measure, which I love them. I have the ones for the A2 size cards, but I just recently got the ones for the 5x7 cards, and they come in a set, and they're like a 1/4 inch apart, which is the A set, and the B set is 1/8 of apart, and they can be mixed and matched. Also, I got sorry for the glare, I got the A2 polka dot dies for the A2 size cards, and this is what they look like. And the next one I got was the A2 locking loops, which I also like this one. I think it's really nice. And this is what the dies actually look like. And then I got the floral ribbon threader, and this is also for the A2 size card, and this is what that dies actually look like. I'm sorry for the glare. And this one is called the A2 Figure Delight, and I like this one also. I like them all. I'm sorry for the glare. And I purchased these from stampandscrapping.com. And here's the last one. I also went to Hobby Lobby on Thursday or Friday one, and they had excuse me, they paper pads on sale, and I wanted to get some more 6x6 pads, and these are the ones that I purchased. This is and I got it upside down. Let me put them all. I'm forever putting things upside down. This is from My Mind's Eye, and this one is the Lost and Found Market Street. And I'm quite sure you all saw these papers because they're probably old. I'm not really good on papers. If I like them, I don't know whether they're old or new. If I like them, I buy them. I know that the Prima papers that I purchased, they're old, and y'all probably seen them. This one is from My Mind's Eye also, and it's from the Lost and Found collection called Portobello, and I know this is an old one. And the next one I got is the Lost and Found Madison Avenue. The next one I got was from Echo Park, and this designer is my favorite, Lori Whitlock. She's got a lot of cuts on the silhouette file, but this is her paper pad from Echo Parks, and it's also double-sided, and it's a 6x6. And I also got this one from Lori Whitlock, and this is Echo Park. Sorry. these are the papers that's in those. And this is from Pink Paisley, which I already had this one, but I didn't realize until I got home. London's Market, and I know everybody has seen this one. And I got this one from, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. It's SEI, and I'm not sure what this paper pad is called. Let's see. I'm not sure. But it's also double-sided. And it's real pretty. I like it. And this one is from, I'm not sure. It's double-sided. It's called World Traveler. But I'm not sure who this is. But I'm quite sure this is an old paper pad. And everyone's probably seen this one. And this one I'm not sure. It's called Christy Tomlinson. And I'm not sure what this paper pad is called, but I also got this one from Hobby Lobby. And I got this one, Lost and Found. And this is Union Square. I know this is an old one, and everybody's probably seen that one. And this was the only Prima one that I didn't have that was in my collection. And it's called In Francis. And this is the only one that they had that I didn't have. So this was the only one, and I'm quite sure everyone has seen this one. Also, Craftyhoneydolls has been on YouTube for the last week, I think, and she's doing a lot of de-stash, and she's got some really nice goodies that if you want to enhance your supplies and get them for a real good deal, Craftyhoneydolls is having a de-stash sale. I bought a box from her, and I was totally thrilled with it. It makes you feel good when you purchase things, and when you get them, it's not a surprise. You know exactly what you're going to get, you know, and the money that you paid for it is, you feel that it's worth it. And I am very pleased, which I have bought de-stash boxes from her in the past, and I've never ever had a problem with her. So let's get started. It may be, what I'll do is cut this video off and come back and show you the goodies that I got from one of her de-stash boxes. How about that? Alright, see you in a minute. Bye. Hi everyone, I'm back to show you the de-stash box that I got from Craftyhoneydolls on Saturday. It's a lot of stuff. First of all, I got this stamp set with the bird cages, which I like very much. I got this stamp from her, and it's from Hero Arts. I've got this from K & Company. It's a mini album kit. And this one is from Pink Paisley. I got some chipboard frames from K & Company. I got this, I got several of these. These paper pads from Recollections from Michaels. I got this stamps, this punch from EK Success. I got this stamp set from TCP. It's a coffee stamp set. I also got this stamp set from Paper Studio, and it's like it's got a lot of sentiments on it. It's got a bell on it. I'm not really sure because I can't. It's called Home something. I'm not sure, but it's from Paper Studio. I'm not sure. Also got this birdhouse, 2 of them that can be altered, which I haven't even altered the things that I already have to alter. But since I changed my craft room, my husband told me that I couldn't buy any storage units, the jet cubes or anything, but he told me I had to use what I had until we decide to move or something. I got this stamp set also from her. I got these note cards, and there's 6 in a pack. This spray is like a black color, and I'm not sure who this is from. I got the punch around the page Martha Stewart punch. There's 2. They're pretty big. Don't know if I'm gonna have room to put all this stuff. Some of the stuff I probably don't even know what it is. These are dimensional stickers, and these are from Martha Stewart. It's like a popsicle and a lollipop. Got a lot. Some Prima Bling. Another clear stamp. Some flourishes and leaves. And this is from Martha Stewart. These are some pearls that you can actually make stick pins with. I have 2 of those that came. Some dimensional chipboard stickers from Bo Bunny. Some more Prima Bling. Some more dimensional stickers. Some raisin flowers from Prima. That was the other pins. Some more epoxy stickers. I have 2 of those. Another pack of note cards. Hand punch. It's a heart and a star. Some doilies. It's 30 in a pack. I have a pink set and a white set. I have alpha stickers, 2 packs of those. Some pencil pouches that can be altered. Another Martha Stewart punch around the page punch. What else do I have in here? Some American Craft markers. What else do I have in here? This is some more of the recollection paper pads right here. Some of the pinwheel flowers. I'm not sure who these are made from. Chipboard pieces. I'm not familiar with this, but this black chipboard, and from what I was understanding, these are the shapes that's like out of frame. These are the shapes that's inside of here. I have 2 packs of those. Running out of space. I have another 6x6 paper pad called Honey Cakes. I have another 6x6 paper pad called Everyday Flair. I have some more of the recollections. I don't know why I keep saying recollections paper. I have this this paper pad, Mary. I'm not sure how to pronounce. Can't see it. Melody Ross. Melody Ross. 8x8 paper pad. Get some of this glare because I think I filled it up where. But this is the paper pad, and this is the paper that's in it. I got the desk so crowded. And what else is in this box? Here is the some more of the epoxy stickers. Another stamp set from Hero Arts. Here's like a vintage stamp. I also got that one. And last but not least, I got these AFAs from Making Memories, and these epoxy stickers here. Yeah, I got them up right side up. And that concludes my D-Stash box from Craftyhoneydolls. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day, and I'll be back soon with another video. Bye.